So back for the video. Today we're going to make a documentary on Mother Nature. As you all know, we live on this world where a lot of people live. Which is one thing, because people don't do that a lot. They don't recycle. That is one of the most important things to do in the world. Because if we don't do it, this entire world is going to become too hot. So if it becomes too hot, well, we're going to die. So this is going to be a documentary on Mother Nature. Let's get started. Well, maybe 30 seconds. And now I do that. "20 seconds should be good. Right here. Most of it is caused by cars because the gas pollution of the cars when it goes. So electric powered cars are a lot better than these powered cars, gas powered cars. Because when you see, it makes gas so it can run. When the gas gets pulled out by the back of the truck, it gets sent into the air, which would make the air dirtier and make our lungs dirtier. This covers 20% of the Earth's oxygen. So we want to save these things. And also the Amazon rainforest. Please, farmers, stop burning the Amazon rainforest. It covers 20% of our world's oxygen. Save these things. They're poor little creatures that don't deserve to die.